Hello beautiful, welcome back to Nat's Beautiful Life. Today I'm going to be doing the Goodreads Picks My Makeup tag. So all you do is you go to goodreads.com or you can go in your app, whatever, and you put in your initials. So my initials are NAM. I put those in and this book came up. And these colors are boring. It is gold and brown, and that is something that I might do on a regular basis. So I went to the next book down, which was this. It is John Green's The Fault in Our Stars in a different language. I don't know what this language is, but there it is. This tag was created by someone I will put on the screen. I will link her down below. But I saw this actually on ClaraReadsBooks. She did this tag. I will link her down below. I really love her channel and I binge watch it all the time. You know, sometimes you watch YouTubers and you think, I like there's a light casting, there it is. So anyway, you watch some people's channels and you think, hey, I like their recommendations, I like what they do, but I don't know if we would necessarily I sounded drunk, necessarily be friends outside of this. But I feel like Clara, when I watch her, that I could see myself like at a mall or on the corner downtown eating a soft pretzel and making fun of people as they go by. I feel like we could hang out and be friends. So I really like her channel. Go check her out and let her know that I sent you. So, we're going to be doing some makeup with blue, with black and white. I've got my base on, so that would be my foundation, some bronzer, eyebrows, and I've got all my fun palettes, colors out, and we are going to zoom in and get going on some makeups. So, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do for certain, but let's go. I'm going to start by getting out this palette. This is an oldie but a goodie. It is the Beige Cosmetics Eyes on the 80s palette. And I'm going to try like a little light blue here first. And just kind of start like in my crease a little bit. Let me move this mirror here so maybe we won't. Here we go. So it won't be hiding from you. A little bit patchy, but we'll work on it. As I tell everyone, makeup, especially crazy looks, look like you've been punched in the face until you're done. Let's just hide our times. So I'm starting out with just a lighter blue to kind of make a transition shade. Then I'm going to go into this darker blue and just kind of go back in. And this is, I think, more like the book cover blue. Oh, how fun this is. Alright, now I'm going to just take one of my blendy brushes, the big one, and I'm just going to blend some of that. I'm not really sure what all we're going to be doing with all of this. We're winging it, okay? We are winging it. Alright. So let's go into some black. So I'm going to grab, I have this NYX palette here that has a really strong black in it. And let me get a fluffy brush so it won't be so harsh. And I'm just going to kind of tip a little bit more in that corner. Now, this current camera doesn't have the memory capacity to do really long videos right now. I need to get another card. That's actually not bad. But else we would be doing some really fun stuff. Like I would love to have done like hearts. But I figured for time's sake, we'll just chill with this. My book club book of the month, we'll have to clean that up, is Sophie Kinsella's Surprise Me, and the cover is gorgeous. And I was like, I wish I could do, I can. It's my channel, I can do what I want. I might do a makeup look based on that because it's awesome. Alright, so I have a stark white in here, and I'm going to put the stark white here. Don't worry, we will clean this up. I know it looks a mess. I'm going to do this stark white. This looks a real mess. I know it looks terrible, but we will make it work. It will. And I'm also going to take this stark white and put it up here. And yes, Mama's brows need to be done. Whoa, I look like I've been smacked in the face. So let's blend that some more, shall we? Hopefully this is a clean brush. If not, let's... We're just gonna blend it out. This is funny. Alright, I'm gonna go back into that dark blue and just kind of work on that again. Getting that all together. And bring some of that down. Alright, so I'm gonna have to clean some of this off. So I'm gonna put something on my cloth here. So fancy. Just kind of clean that off. And we'll fix it. And that burns because that was not really made for makeup removal. Oh, it burns. Yeah, I told you this might be a hot mess. And it is. Alright. So, what am I going to do is be right back. I'm going to put some liner on and some mascara, and then we'll move on. Okay. See, I told you it would all come together. Oh, ye a little faith. Anyway, so that's the eyeballs. I used my mascara, a couple coats of that. It's the CoverGirl Supersizer, and I used my Maybelline Curvitude. Wow, that's like rubbed off. And then I love the Mary Kay kohl liner for everything else. So anyway, that's the eyes. Let's work on the rest of the face. So I do have a little bit of blush on, and it's pink, and I'm just going to leave it at that. But for a highlight, I thought a bright, stark white highlight would be nice. So I'm just going to go into this eyeshadow and add that as a highlight, which is going to be interesting. And it actually pulled in some of that blue. Funny. So funny. Wait a minute. Is this one? What is this one? There's another one here. This one might be... This is another... Ooh, this one might work. This is another one. Yeah. And then I've got my... Yeah, not wearing that as a highlight ever again, but just wanted something stark white, and I think we got it. So I wish I had a blue lipstick, but I don't, but I'm gonna make one. I've got... What do I have on right now? I've got just a regular lip gloss. I'm just looking around. So I've got a regular lip... Actually, it's not a regular lip gloss. It's a lip gloss. It is the Infallible L'Oreal, whatever these things are, paints. Yeah. Woohoo! And it's like spiced blush. I'm going to take this as just a lip balm, put on top of it to make it sticky. And I'm going to make a blue lipstick. I'm going to take this blue that's in this palette, and I'm just going to do that number. I'm going to grab a mirror so I'm not doing this blindly. And just kind of patting that in there. Yeah, it looks really bad right now. It's not really ever going to look really good. But we will put something on it that keeps it from looking so cracky. Cracky. Like cracks in my lips. And let's see. Of all the things, I don't have a clear lip gloss. I do have... I'm not going to put this on my lips because I don't want to ruin my lip gloss. I'll just show my finger. As kind of Goodreads does my makeup. Do I look like this John Green cover at all? Do I look like it? I don't know. Honestly, the eye look does not look as bad. I don't know how it's... I feel like in the viewfinder that I'm looking at here, it looks a lot worse than it does in the mirror. I don't know, because the lights are like right in my face. The lipstick I would not want to leave the house in ever, but it's blue. I made a blue lipstick. I thought, you know, we're going with this blue, black, white. Oh, you know what we could do? Is this the really shiny one? There we go. We mixed it up a little bit more. Ta-da! So, yeah. This is my ode to The Fault in Our Stars book cover. Goodreads Picks my makeup. Go ahead and forgive me for this makeup. And what I would love for you to do is click the little bell, subscribe, come back. I have some great videos planned. I have a new series that I'm starting called Is It Worth It? Where I order books and such off of different websites, and then I show you how these books, the condition they're in, and how like my experience was, and how the shipping was, and all of that stuff, so I can tell you if different things are worth it. So that would be like thriftbooks.com, Book Depository I've done, and Book Outlet. So I am waiting for some more books to come. All my thrift books have come in here, and then we'll be doing individual videos for that. I also am going to be doing Booktubeathon this year, so I will be doing a TBR for that, and also going to be doing some reading vlogs with that, so you can come along. So not only are you going to want to be following me here on the YouTube, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because between YouTube and Instagram, with IGTV and the Insta stories and blah blah blah, we're going to get our readathon done together. And I would love to know if you're doing the Booktubeathon. You can leave me a comment, even a video down below, so that I can follow you and we can read together. Is there something else? I feel like there's something else I wanted to tell you guys, but I can't think of what it is. I don't know what it is. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this. It's really fun. If you do this video, link it down below. Let me know. I like discovering new channels and all that jazz. So, and if you have any favorite channels, any favorite books, or what are you reading right now, let me know. That is all. Have a great day, gorgeous.